All right, this is the last part of AGNR 131 Lab 1, Lab Exercise 1, where we looked at taking a closer look at rocks. So here we go. We've actually had these rocks soaking for, probably 2 or 3 days now, and I've got some of the ones in front of me in the beaker that you can see that they are long since stopped reacting with the club soda. And then I've got 3 rocks in through here, 3 sets of rocks in here that may or may not be able to be seen very well. I'm going to try to move them over here, and we'll try to do a little bit closer look in just a second on those. But the first thing we're going to do is have a look and see if any of these rocks that we soaked for all that period of time in water have a change in their weight. You can see the dry weights I've got right here. And what I've done is I've just taken them out and I've tapped them dry. There's really no moisture underneath them. You kind of see this one here. This is rock type A. Let's just see if it's made any difference. Okay, well, our first reading was 51.56. This one says 51.93. So there is a little bit of a difference there. I'll write that one down real quick. 51.93. There we go, 51.93. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other ones. I'll have you on video here. I'll try to pick up the rocks and have you look at them. You can see this rock here has got some, it's like some layers in it. Need to have some better lights. You definitely see those layers. Let's see what we get here for this one. $88.47 it looks like. Well, picked up a little bit. 88.47. Let's see if I can do this. 88.47 grams. And then this last one here, this guy's kind of interesting. You can kind of see let me see if I can bring it up so you can see it better. Well, that actually works better. And you can kind of see it's got some cracking in it as well. All the way through there. So let's see what this one's done. Oops, gotta take that one off. Put this one back on. $67.93. That's quite a difference from $63.92. 67.93 grams. So let me pick up these other guys and put them with the light in the background. You can kind of see them better. You've got that porous look to it, if you can see. So I really thought that those layers would soak up quite a bit. They did a little bit. Maybe not as much as I would have liked. And then finally I'll pick up this guy so you can see it as well. It's got a little crust on the back of it. We'll talk about what that crust is later in the chapter. This could have been some maybe oxidation reduction in that rock, which made me think that perhaps we could have got some moisture. It looks like maybe that's where the moisture kind of did go in, was on those outside edges through there. Okay, I'm going to take a quick break here and get ready to set up for the next one. Okay, for this next part, this is how does acid rain affect rocks, and you can kind of see, I'm going to pick each one of these up sample by sample. And I think what's important to notice, let's see if I can do this right. If you look at this, there's really nothing much in there. I'm trying to get that. You get a little bit of, it may not be working very well. Let me just put that back down.